How to travel like a VIP without breaking the bank. You don't have to be a millionaire to travel like a VIP. Trust me, I've figured out how to enjoy luxury experiences on a budget, and today I'm sharing exactly how you can too. First things first, it all starts before you even book your trip. I always look for flight deals using apps like Google Flights, Hopper, or Skyscanner. I set price alerts and I'm flexible with my travel dates. I've scored business class flights for the price of economy, just by flying midweek or being open to different airports. It's all about timing. Now, when it comes to accommodation, you don't need to stay at the Four Seasons to feel pampered. I found amazing boutique hotels and even luxury Airbnbs for half the price by booking during shoulder seasons or using credit card points. Another hack? Look for new hotels offering opening promotions. They're often luxurious and underpriced to attract early guests. Loyalty programs are your best friend. Seriously. I signed up for airline and hotel reward programs years ago, and over time those points add up. Even if you only travel a few times a year, you can still benefit from perks like free upgrades, lounge access, or late checkouts. And speaking of lounges, here's the kicker. You don't need a business class ticket to get in. Cards like the Amex Platinum or Chase Sapphire Reserve offer complimentary access to Priority Pass lounges. I've eaten, relaxed, even showered before flights without spending a cent. Transportation hacks? Yep, I avoid overpriced airport taxis by scheduling rides through local apps or using public transport with a prepaid travel card. And when I want to feel extra VIP, I'll rent a car with a discount code from my card or employer. Just last year, I drove a luxury SUV in Portugal for the price of a compact car back home. Let's talk experiences, because VIP isn't just about where you stay or how you fly, it's how you explore. Instead of booking overpriced group tours, I go for local-led small group experiences on platforms like Get Your Guide or Airbnb experiences. And sometimes I reach out directly to guides through Instagram or travel forums. You'd be surprised how many are willing to customize something special at a lower price. Another trick? Dress the part. I always pack one outfit that makes me feel polished and confident. Whether I'm checking into a hotel or asking for an upgrade, appearance and attitude go a long way. Polite confidence can get you complimentary perks. I've had welcome drinks, room upgrades, and even spa access just by being kind and carrying myself well. Oh, and never underestimate the power of asking. If you're celebrating something, birthday, honeymoon, whatever, mention it. Hotels and airlines often go out of their way to make it memorable. I once got a champagne welcome just by saying it was my anniversary. It wasn't, but it was a celebration of life, right? Lastly, I plan my days around value. I'll splurge on one luxury meal but balance it out with street food or markets. I prioritize experiences that feel rich, sunsets, architecture, art, nature, things that cost little but feel priceless. So yeah, you can travel like a VIP without blowing your budget. It's not about pretending to be rich, it's about being smart, intentional, and knowing where to look. Comfort, luxury, and adventure can absolutely go hand in hand with affordability. Now go book that trip, pack with confidence, and treat yourself to the travel experience you deserve. VIP isn't a status, it's a mindset. If you enjoyed these tips, like, share, and subscribe for more travel secrets.